Good afternoon, learners! Welcome to TV Eskwela! I am teacher Aldren Dayday from Barabat Elementary School, New Bataan District. Today, we will learn about division of decimals by 1/10ths, 100ths, 1,000ths, 10, 100, and 1,000. After completing this lesson, you are expected to divide decimals by 1/10ths, 100ths, 1,000ths, 10, 100, and 1,000, and solve problems involving division of decimals. Are you ready to have fun? Then, let's get started. Don't forget to have your paper, pen, and your module with you. To start with, let's read and analyze the situation that could be found on your module on page 2. Every household in Poblacion, Culambugan, Lanao del Norte was given a quarantine pass, which allow one member of each household to go out and buy essential needs. Mr. Edgardo Pena bought 5 7/75 kilogram of beef. When he came home, he put the meat into food containers, each containing 1/10 kilogram equally, which was good for a week of his family's consumption. How many food containers were used for the meat packs? In the problem, what is being asked? Very good! It is how many food containers were used for the meat packs. What are our given facts? Very good! We have 5.75 kilogram of beef and 0.1 kilogram for each container. To solve the problem, we have to divide 5.75 kilogram by 0.1. To divide a decimal by another decimal, first, change the divisor to a whole number by moving the decimal point to the rightmost place. Second, move the decimal point in the dividend to as many places as the decimal point in the divisor is moved. Third, divide like a whole numbers. In our problem, we have 5.75 divided by 0.1. Following the procedure, first, we will change the divisor 0.1 into whole number. Now, we will move the decimal point into the rightmost place. Second, we will move the decimal point in the dividend. Since we only move one place in our divisor, therefore, we will also move one place in our dividend. This will become 57.5. Then, solve. So, 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 7. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Next, we will put decimal point above. Therefore, there were 57.5 plastic boxes of beef. And that's the answer. Remember, if we divide number by 1/10, we need to move one decimal place to make it a whole number. Just like this, 0.1, move one place, and it will become 1. What if we divided it into 1/100? How many decimal places are we going to move? Yes, we have to move 2 decimal places to the right to make it a whole number. Just like this. 1, 2. Thus, 100ths becomes 1. How about if we divide 1,000ths? How many decimal places are we going to move? Correct! We have to move 3 decimal places to the right to make it a whole number. 1, 2, 3. Thus, 1,000ths becomes 1. Let us try this example. 5 and 678 thousandths divided by 1,000ths. First, change the divisor into whole number. To do this, we need to move the decimal point. How many places are we going to move? Very good! 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Next, since we move 3 places in our divisor, then how many places are we going to move in our dividend? Correct! 3 places also. 1, 2, 3. Our decimal point is in the outermost part of our number. And now, let's divide. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 7. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down 8. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Therefore, we have 5,678 as our answer. Easy, right? Yes, very easy. But wait, there is an easier way to solve this one. Are you ready to know? Then let's do this. 5 and 750 thousandths divided by 1/10. To do this, we will see how many decimal places in our divisor and move the decimal point of our dividend according to the number of decimal places in our divisor, and we have our quotient. In this example, how many decimal place or places in our divisor? Yes, we only have 1. Therefore, we will move 1 place to the right in our dividend. 1. And this will be our answer. 57 and 50 hundredths. How about this one? 9 and 345 thousandths divided by 1/100ths. Let us look our divisor. 1/100ths. How many decimal places in this number? Very good. We have 2 decimal places. Therefore, how many places are we going to move in our dividend? Correct! 2 places also. 1, 2. And we have our answer. 934 and 5/10. In this example, 8 and 765 thousandths divided by 1/1000. How many decimal places in our divisor? Very good. We have 3 decimal places. Therefore, how many places are we going to move in our dividend? Correct. 3 places also. 1, 2, 3. And we have our answer. 8,765. See? There is an easier way solving number having 1/10ths, 1/100ths, and 1/1000ths as a divisor. This time, we will learn to divide decimals by 10, 100, and 1000. Are you ready? Great! This time, we have another word problem. Let us read and analyze this word problem found on your module on page A. Mr. Joselito A. De Roya is a Chief Executive Officer of Delta Group of Companies. He is planning to give cash assistance to 10 selected households in a certain municipality. If he allotted 735,550 pesos, how much will each household receive? What is being asked? Correct. The amount of cash assistance that each household will receive. What are the given facts? Very good! 735,550 pesos total allotted cash assistance and 10 household recipients. To solve this problem, we have to divide 735,550 pesos by 10. We may use the long method. 735,550 divided by 10. Since our divisor is 10, then let's start with 73. 73 divided by 10 is 7. 7 times 10 is 70. 73 minus 70 equals 3. Bring down 5. And we have 35. 35 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 35 minus 30 equals 5. Bring down 5. And we have 55. 55 divided by 10 is 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 55 minus 50 equals 5. Bring down 0. And we have 50. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 50 minus 50 equals 0. And we have our answer. 73,555. In long method, we have 73,555 as the answer. How about in short method? In this method, we just need to count the number of zeros in our divisor. And then, move the decimal point of our dividend to the left according to the number of zeros in our divisor. Like for example, 735 and 57 hundredths divided by 10. In our divisor 10, how many zeros? Yes, we only have 1 zero. Therefore, we will move to the left with how many places? Yes, 1 place also. 1. Then, it is now our answer. 73 and 557 thousandths. How about this one? 657 and 5/10 divided by 100. Look at our divisor. 100. How many zeros? Very good. We have 2 zeros. In our dividend, how many places are we going to move? Yes, correct. 2 places also. 1, 2. Therefore, our answer is 6 and 575 thousandths. How about 1,000? How many zeros do we have? Correct. We have 3 zeros. Therefore, when we divide 5,754 and 5/10 by 1,000, we will move 3 places also. 1, 2, 3. And our answer is 5 and 7,545 10,000ths. Easy? Yes, very easy and fun. Either long method or short method, we come up with the same answer. Are you ready to answer on your own? Open your module on page 10 and try to solve decimal message. You have 15 minutes to do it. Enjoy! For your assignment, answer the activity 6. Put it in numbers 1 to 5 on page 12. So, it has been a wonderful day to all of us, as today, we have learned something new. So once again, I am your teacher Aldren Dayday from Barabat Elementary School, New Bataan District, saying, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!